All right, so today we're going to be walking the timeline of how the Earth was started. We're going to be going through, we're going to be stopping at each sign and talking about them. You can see that they go all the way around the field, and some you can't even see yet. Let's take the journey. We're going to start today at present time, 0 million years ago. Our first sign is starting here is the Quaternary Period, which is 1.8 million years ago. As you can see, it's pretty close to where time started right now. As we journey through, we've made it now to the Tertiary Period, which is about 65 million years ago. I'm going to continue on as we walk through. We've now hit 144 million years ago. Doesn't seem that long ago. And that is the Cretaceous Period. This is where our dinosaurs ended, as we all know. We've made it to the Jurassic Period, pretty much famous from the Jurassic Park movie, which was about 206 million years ago. We're now at the Jurassic Period, which is 248 million years ago. This is where our start of our dinosaurs really came. We've now reached the 290 million years ago, which we know is the Cambrian Period. This is where we had our Pangea and our trilobites. Carboniferous Period, which was 354 million years ago. And we know that's where we saw those cockroaches. So we can thank that time period for those and our giant forests that were being brought about. We've now hit 417 million years ago at the Devonian Period. This is where we had our really big fish, the age of the fishes. Silurian Period was 443 million years ago. This is where things started to come into land and started in the water. Ordovician Period, 490 million years ago. This is where we started to see all those different fish and little shells and things like that are coming about. Our Cambrian Period was 543 million years ago. It is known as the explosion of life. Everything was there. We're going to keep walking, and we have a long time to walk now because now things are changed. So we're going to keep walking, thinking about all the things we've seen so far. We're going to keep walking, and you can start to see the sign. It is all the way down to the green fence. Not as a lot has happened during this time of when the Earth was made. Hope you're still with us as we continue to work through our timeline. Almost there. Time is in sight. You made it. The Protozoic Era. This was 2,500 million years ago. This is where we start to see little plants. And we're going to keep walking, and we're going to walk for a little while again. So let's continue on. As you remember from learning all this, the Earth took a long time to develop. All right, we made it to Arcadian Era, which is 3,800 million years ago. This is where we started to see cyanobacteria, that blue-green. It's the first form of life. It started just here. All right, we're gonna continue on. We have one more sign to find. Hopefully you can start to see it in the distance now. Congratulations, you made to where the Earth started and Earth formed. This is the Haitian Era, which is 4,560 million years ago. This is where it all began. Not with a bang, because that was the universe, but with Earth.